In order to implement the National 3060 Carbon Peak and Carbon Neutrality Strategic Goal, the competent administrative departments of the people's governments at all levels have issued relevant policy support to help the development and utilization of clean energy. Among them, distributed photovoltaics have been received by various cities. District and county level governments are paying close attention. According to statistics from the Chinese Photovoltaic Association, since 2022, the total installed capacity of distributed photovoltaics in China has accounted for 2/3 of the total installed capacity. Distributed photovoltaics not only have the advantages of short construction cycles, green environmental protection, and low operation and maintenance costs, but also enable industrial and commercial users to activate idle assets through rooftop photovoltaics. Factories can enjoy discounted electricity prices for thermal insulation and insulation, and are not affected by gate restrictions. These measures aim to reduce costs and increase efficiency.